Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy macaroni salad updated. Start by boiling 12 ounces of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain and cool under cold water. While pasta cools, whisk together mayo, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of sugar. Chop celery, red onion, and pickles, then fold gently into pasta with herbs, salt, and pepper to taste. Serve chilled for best flavor. I like to balance creaminess with acidity, so taste as you go and adjust vinegar or sugar. Add chopped hard-boiled egg for richness or swap dill for parsley for freshness. If you want crunch, toast sunflower seeds or use chopped celery leaves, and always chill for at least 1 hour so flavors meld. Warm the salad briefly before serving at room temperature for potlucks, and consider smoked paprika for depth. Macaroni salad holds up well, and flavors improve after a few hours in the fridge. Store in an airtight container for up to 4 days, stirring gently before serving. If the salad thickens after chilling, stir in a tablespoon of milk or a splash of vinegar to revive texture and flavor, and always keep the salad cold until serving to prevent spoilage. Label the container with the date so you know when to use it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.